Explore our exclusive offers at PC Onzi Realtors Private Limited, your one-stop destination for all real estate services. We offer expert property sales and auctioneering, precise property valuations, and comprehensive property management services. Explore our extensive list of properties and find your perfect match. Check out our competitive pricing offers today. For more information, visit our offices or call us at the numbers provided on screen.
Then, I said, what? Me, I thought it was a young man.
Semauya ndoda kukutenda zvikuru. Murei kwa Zimondi yanga iri kukutenda zvakanyanya.
Assist you to lay the wreath. So you shall walk together. Would ask for the next wreath, where the Commissioner General would come and receive the wreath and place it on the grave. Thank you. Closer, then you hand over there. Thank you.
I want to thank, first and foremost, to thank God who made me to be part of the life of the late Zimondi and the late General Zimondi to be part of my life. I met General Zimondi since 2014 when I became the Commissioner General, and honestly, the truthfully is that he has been my mentor. One of those great men who always try to advise me or lecture me, telling me what should I do and what should I not do. All the time, I don't know how many times we met in meetings, official meetings. He has to sit me and he has to tell me and also invite me to come to Zimbabwe. To my surprise, I just heard General Zimondi is no more. It's those type of time and situation that you end up blaming yourself. And some of those blames, you won't get solution to them. General Zimondi died the wrong time, where indeed I was supposed to travel to Zimbabwe and come and attend his funeral and burial. However, I didn't. And since then, it has been troubling me just to go and see where he was to rest. Hence, this day, the 15th day of July 2024, I think I get peace of my life for just coming to lay a wreath to the place of rest of my elder brother. Zimondi is just 1 year younger than my mother. And I respected him very much. He has been part of my family. He has been part of me. He has been part of the Namibian Correctional Service because he was the one that the Correctional Service hinges on him for us to move ahead. Hence, I want to thank this opportunity that the Zimbabwe prisons and the Correctional Service make it possible for me to come here. I just informed my brother, Commissioner General Chovu, I think in June, when we met in Zambia, in Livingstone, and I told him I'm having something which is troubling me. I want to go and visit where my elder brother was laid to rest. And then he said, I didn't think about it, and I'm going to make it possible. This is my first time I come to Zimbabwe again, and he made it possible. Hence, I would like to thank him. I would like to thank the government of Zimbabwe and the people of Zimbabwe for allowing me to come here and get the peace of my life, to lay a wreath on the person who mean a lot to me, to the Namibian Correctional Service, and to my family. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Commissioner General, for the very touching words.
Raphael Signs, a specialist in designing, printing, signage, or vehicle branding, 3D signage and window branding, indoor and outdoor signs. For all your banner designs and print, contact us for a free quotation on the numbers on your screen, or email or visit us at 91 Livingstone, Corner 8th Street in Harare. Raphael Signs, our portfolio speaks for itself.
Discover our exclusive offer at Lochi. Civil servants can now get 0% deposit on all solar installations. Experience sustainable energy without any upfront costs. Join us in powering your home with clean, affordable solar energy today. For more information, contact us on 0773859785 or visit our offices at office number G11 Eastgate Market, Harare, Zimbabwe.